Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft 365 license and the Sharepoint admin or site owner role. Once confirmed, open the Admin Center or App Launcher and click Create Site. Choose Communication or Team based on audience. Make sure to set privacy and storage limits, then enter a concise site name and URL. Add at least one owner and 1 to 2 members so permissions are manageable. Once done, save and proceed to configure core structure and navigation. Now build the site's backbone. Create document libraries, custom lists, and the first pages. Use built-in templates to accelerate layout. Configure metadata fields, columns, and content types so search and automation behave predictably. Next, establish top and left navigation and associate the site with a hub if applicable. This ensures consistent branding and search across sites. Make sure to add web parts for news, quick links, and documents, and review permissions as you add content so collaborators can start work. Finish by locking governance. Apply permission groups, retention settings, and external sharing policies so data stays secure. Once done, create Power Automate flows for approvals or notifications to reduce manual steps. Test flows with sample data and adjust run conditions. Configure backups, versioning, and alerts for critical libraries. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check file size limits, path length, browser cache, and the OneDrive sync client. These are common culprits. Finally, document procedures and train your team for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.